In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink film in your Canon Selphy CP1500 photo printer. So you can see this printer comes with the ink film which looks like this. So that's actually the cartridge. Go to the right side and you will see there is a ink cassette door. You have to open it. And now take your ink cartridge and you will see there is an arrow on that. Just follow this. So it should be facing up. Press it down. You hear a lock sound. Close the door and we are ready. I'll also show you how to take it out. So open the door again. Press this yellow button and then you can slide it out. So it's very easy. So this way we can replace the ink cassette. Thanks for watching.